Right, so for our second dish for Jack and Chili, they were kind enough to send me 2 boxes of this. But to be honest, 1 box you can make 2 dishes with because you don't need loads and loads of jackfruit to make your dish. We're going to make a Katsu jackfruit wrap. Very summery, tasty, cool, and most importantly, it's vegan. So what we've got is already got some fried off jackfruit with onion and garlic. We've got vegetable stock already made up here. We've got some plain flour. We've got the Katsu powder, and that's from any supermarket. We've got a little bit of maple syrup, and we've also got soya sauce. Right, so first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to add the vegetable stock. So I poured that all in, already made up. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add the Katsu powder. Pour that in. Splash of soya sauce. And a little bit of maple syrup. Just give it a bit of sweetness. And then what we do is we thicken up the sauce with a bit of flour. So I start off with a little bit. And then I just mix it all in. Katsu sauce. And what we're going to do is we're going to add the already pre-cooked jackfruit with the onions and the garlic that we fried up for about 10 minutes. And we're just going to mix it into the sauce. Give it a good old mix up. Add a little bit more. And give it a good old mix. As you can see, it's not looking the greatest, but don't worry, because when it's in the wrap, it'll be lovely. And oh, if you could only smell the katsu flavour. To cook for another 5 to 10 minutes on a very low heat. Add a little bit of water if it starts sticking a little bit, just a little bit of water. So the jackfruit is now cooked. I've put it onto the wrap. And what we're going to do is add a little bit of this sauerkraut you can get from any supermarket. Any supermarket. And it gives it a bit of that little bit of zing. So just put a bit of sauerkraut with lots of rocket. And there we have it. We have the jackfruit katsu wrap.